till now. Okay, what are those daily routines? Your good values, your attitudes, your disciplines, your forgiveness, your what and all? What and all you learn? Your strength, your loving and caring, your honesty, your humbleness. Already we all learned all these things, right? Yes. With that, every day you need to learn the literally prayer also. Okay. I'll not take too much of time because today I am going to revise you the pattern. How you will get the question paper. Okay. Question paper patterns. Okay, question paper patterns. What is it? How you will get the question? In each language, we will start learning in the each language. Okay. Questions ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು question paper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು format I am showing you. One sample. Okay. First, we are going to the subject EVS. EVS, as you know, this is a general science. In this, we learned so many things like wild animals, farm animals, domestic animals and farm animals, underwater animals, then birds, insects, then what else? Yes, community helpers, so many things we learned, no? Yes, in the EVS. This is the general science. Okay, the format is first they ask you the identification of animals. Okay, the first thing is identification of animals. For example, I'll show you some cards. Okay, what is this, what is this, and what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? This is which animal? Yes, yes, this is a wild animal. You have to categorize. This is the identification of animal. Okay, this is a wild animal. Okay, what is this, children? This is a bird. It belongs to a bird category. Okay, what is this? This is a cow. Cow belongs to which animal category? Yes, this is either a domestic animal or a farm animal. Like that you need to categorize. Categorize the animal for wild or bird or farm or water animal. Okay, like this you need to identify and categorize the animals. Which animal is that? Like I showed you example, no? This lion belongs to a wild animal, like that. Okay, the second categorize is top few about animal. Okay, top few sentences about animal. Okay, for example, if I show this, which animal is this? Yes, this is zebra. Belong to wild animal category, correct? Yes. Can you tell the zebra structure? Yes, zebra is black and white strips. Okay, zebra lives in grassland. Zebra belongs to a wild animal. Okay, like that you need to say something about few sentences about the animals. I will show you the animal. You need to talk, children. I will not show the zebra only. I may show any animal. You need to describe 3 lines about that. Okay. For example, if I show the peacock to you, how you will tell? Yes, peacock is a bird. Peacock lives either on the land also. Sometimes it lives on the tree also. We can see the peacock flying. The peacock will be very pretty, very beautiful when it opens its feather and start dancing. Like that you need to talk some few sentences about the animal which I will show to you. Don't think that I will show the same animals. I will change the animals. This is just a patterns. Okay. Next, classify. It is fruit or vegetable. Okay, you need to identify whether it is fruit or vegetable. See, I'll show you some picture. What is this? This is brinjal. Okay, this belongs to which category? Yes, this belongs to a vegetable. What is this? This is banana. This belongs to fruit category. You need to identify whether this is a vegetable or a fruit, and you need to categorize. You need to say to me, okay, this is a banana. It belongs to fruit category. Okay, children? Yes. The next one is your favorite fruit or vegetable. For example, I like orange, okay, because orange is very sweet. It is very juicy. Orange, I like the orange color, and orange is good in calcium and citrus, which is helps in glowing of the skin. So I like orange. Like that, you need to talk about your favorite fruit. Any fruit you have, you can talk. But you need to talk about your favorite one fruit and one vegetable. My favorite vegetable is lady's finger. Okay, because this is very curry-able vegetable. I like the curry of the lady's finger. Okay, that's why I love to eat the lady's finger. So my favorite. I will talk. You have to talk about your favorite one fruit or vegetable. At least 3 sentences you need to talk, children. Okay. Next question is identify the community helper. And where they work. Okay. See, on that day I showed you so many community helper pictures. For example, who is this? This is a fireman. Okay, what does he do? You need to identify the picture. He is a fireman. Where he works? Yes, he works in fire station. Okay, when the fire is, he works in fire station and puts off the fire if any accident happens. Okay, like that you need to say at least 3 lines about the community helper. First you need to identify the picture and you have to tell me where he will works and what work he will do in 1 line. Okay, this is the identification of the community helper. Okay. favorite community helper? Any helper you may talk. I will talk about C. Mine is policeman because he works day and night to give a security to our town. So I like to talk about the policeman. Like that you can choose any community helper, one favorite community helper, and you need to talk. Okay. Next one is identification of action. Action you know, no? Swimming, running, jumping, and water, sitting, standing. These all are called the action words. I show the picture to you. You need to identify. For example, if I show the picture like this, can you see the picture? Yes. What the face is showing that is crying. Like that, you need to identify the picture or action pictures. Okay. Yes. The next one is you need to tell me about your favorite food and your favorite sport. Okay, children, you need to talk about your favorite food and your favorite sport. Okay, this is the revision, question paper pattern for your EVS. What and you have to do? You have to identify the animals. That picture I will show to you. You need to identify that. You need to talk few sentences about the animal. Any animal. If I show the picture, you need to talk about that. How you can talk? I already explained you. You need to go through that. Identify whether it is a fruit or vegetable. I will show you the picture. You need to identify whether it is a fruit or vegetable. Next, you need to talk about your favorite one fruit or one vegetable. You need to talk yourself. Then you need to identify the community helper. That picture I will show to you. You need to identify the picture and vary with verb. Next, you need to talk about your favorite community helper. That is your own choice. 3 lines you need to talk. Next, the 7th one is identification of the action. You all know, no? The action is nothing but a regular active word. Okay, that you need to identify. The last one is you need to talk about your one favorite food and one favorite sport. Why it is favorite for you? Like that you need to explain to me. Okay, this is about the EVS. Now we are moving to English. Next is English. The first one is identification of oval and consonants. Okay, the identification of oval and consonants. Okay, what is that? Ovals are A, E, I, O, U. Other than that, letters are consonants. Okay, see, if I show this letter, you need to identify whether it is a consonant or vowel. Which letter is this? A. A is a, yes, it's an oval. Which letter is this? This is R. R is a consonant. Like that, you need to identify the letter whether it is a consonant or oval. Next one. Read a page. In discover phonic book. Book 4. Already we finished our long over book, right? In the book 4, Discover Phonics, I will select any page. Whichever page, I will select it randomly. You need to read whole page, what and all they are given. For example, I selected the page number 28. You need to read the words there. What they are given? Boot, coop, moon, roof, hoop, pool, root and tool. Like this you need to read the whole page, just the words. That you need to practice the whole book. I may ask you to read the story also. Like I will ask you to read the page number 31. Like that also I can ask you, or else I'll ask you the words for the long over. You should be ready for that. Okay. Next one is read 3 words and write. Okay. Read 3 words. 3 words in the sense 3-letter words. That is not the meaning of the 3-letter words. 3 words of the long vowel. For example, I may write like loop, Paul, P. Like that, I'll give you some words. Like 10 words I may give you. Okay. In that, you have to write more than 5 words and you need to write the spelling of that. So again and again I am telling you children, just identify the vowel sound, then letter phonic sound, and then you need to learn the spelling. Don't by heart it, because you can't by heart the all the words. Just you grasp that phonic sound, then you can write it easily. You need to read the words and you have to write the 3 to 4 words. I will give you the dictation for that. Like that, you just learn that. It's a dictation. Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay. The 4th one is words with same family. Okay, words with same family. What is that? One second, I'll show you. See, UN is one family. You all know, no? UN. I'll show you one picture for that. See, what is this? Sun. Yes, UN. UN family. Yes, I showed you. You have to words with same family. In the UN family, you can identify so many words, no? In the UN family. Yes, I showed you the picture of sun. Other words can you remember? Yes, you can write what? Sun, bun, gun. Right? No? You need to identify like that. S-U-N sun, B-U-N bun, G-U-N gun. Like that. Words with same family you need to identify. Only I will give you the family here. You need to identify the words for that. Okay, be prepared with that. The 5th one is show 5 pictures and write. Okay. See, I'll show you 5 pictures. Any 5 pictures, you need to write the spelling of that. For example, okay, if I show like this, it's a bag. You all know the spelling of this? Bag. See, if I show like this, it's a cat. You need to write the spelling of this. It's a art. You need to write the spelling of this. And this one is tub. You need to write the spelling of this. I'll show you 5 pictures. You need to identify the picture and write the spelling of the same thing. Okay? Spelling. And you need to write the spelling. Okay? The sixth one is identify rhyming words. You all know what is rhyming words? Like what I told you, sun, bun, gun are a rhyming words which belong to same family. You need to refer your phonic activity book. Here you need to refer a phonic activity book. Okay, phonic activity book. In that they given no children. You need to circle like that. Like page number 32, they are given soon, moon, noon, tame. Then the tame is does not belong to the family of OON, right? Like that, you need to identify the same rhyming word. You have to refer the phonic activity book. Okay. The last one is which category? Okay. And write one word. Okay. You need to identify which category. Like OO, OW, OE. This belong to which category, children? Which family? Yes, this belong to a O family. Correct? No? Everywhere the O is in the starting. It may go in the middle or it may start. So, this belong to a O family. Which family? O family. And you have to write one word. Like OO, cool, OW, row, OE, toe. Like that you have to write one word for the each thing. So what you have to do, you have to refer all the things what we have done till today. Okay? This belongs to which family and one word you have to write. I will brush up again. First one is identification of vowel and consonant. The second one is read a page in Discovery Phonics. I will randomly select one or two pages. You need to read in front of me. Read 3 words and write. Okay? I'll give you 10 to 12 words. In that you need to read at least 4 to 5 words on your own. Okay? Then I'll give the dictation. You need to do that one. Words with same family. I'll give you the family like UN, UT, AN, AP like that. Any family I'll give by my choice. You need to write 3 words belong to the same family. Show 5 pictures and write spelling. I'll show you 5 pictures. You need to write the spelling of that. Example, if I show the card of a hut, you have to write the spelling of HUT. The sixth one is identification of the rhyming words. I'll give you 4 words. You need to identify the rhyming words. Rhyming words is nothing but the words which belong to the same family. Which category? Identify which category and write one word. So I'll give you one category, one family. I may give you I family also, A family also, or E family also. You needed to identify that belong to which family, and you have to write at least one word for the each family. Okay? Understood? Yes. Go through that, children. You'll get to know. It's very easy. Okay, next we are moving to the next class, that is maths. number card also and some objects also. You need to match. See, the number card is 4. I have the ring. Is this ring is 4? Is this matching, children? No, because the rings are more than 4. So, I'll show you another one thing. Okay, I have some cubes here. I mean pyramids like. Can you see the, what is this? Yes, here I have 4 pyramid like object. Is this matching with the card? Yes, like this you need to match it out. I'll show you whether you have to tell is this matching or not. Okay? See, for this, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 rings. Okay? This is matching with the card. Okay? Next, I am moving to the second one. Write the numbers. Okay? I'll ask you to write the number. I may ask you to write the number from 11 to 20 or 21 to 30 or 31 to 40 or 61 to 70. Already we learned the numbers till 61 to 70, right? Till that you need to write the number. Okay, this is the writing the number. Okay, next third one is you need to learn from 1 to 60. Everything. I'll ask you on the spot. I'll not write the number 1 to 60. I'll give you on the spot only. Okay. The next one is say number and count 10 numbers. Okay. Say a number and count 10 numbers. Okay. Already I taught you. I think I didn't taught you, but it's very easy. If I write the 12 no, here how many tens are there? Yes, that is 110. If I write 26, how many tens are there? 2 tens. Like that you need to identify the tens group. Okay. The next thing is number names. Okay. Number names. You all know the number names. This I will give by my choice. I may give you 15, 38, 43, 62 like that. I'll take my choice and I'll ask you to write the number names. Okay, be ready children till the 60. Okay, you be ready with the number names till 60. The next one is backward counting. Already you don't know 10 to 1. What is that? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last one is 0. Like this you have to learn the backward counting from 10 to 0. I am giving any pattern like I may give you the flower, I may give you like a fill in the blanks, or I may give you the blank caterpillar. You have to do the backward counting from 10 to 0. This is the maths children. What we learned, match the number with the objects. With that you have to learn the additions also. How many method we learned the addition? In the strips, in the dotted, in the columns, okay, and the subtraction also. Subtraction, how we learn? In the number lines, in the dotted method, and also counting with the subtraction with the fingers, okay. Like this, so many things we learned. No, these are all the patterns. It may change or vary, okay, but I have given just with a scoop what we have done in the second term. Match the number with the objects. Both the things I will show to you. You need to identify. Write the numbers. I will give you the numbers of my choice. Okay, maybe 21 to 30 or 41 to 50. Okay, say a number and count 10 numbers. Already I taught you, if I write a number, you need to tell me how many tens are there. Okay, number names. This is also my choice. I may give you any numbers, like 10 I may give you, or 60 I may give you, or 58 I may give you. You have to write the number name for that thing. Backward counting. As I told you, backward counting 10 to 0. Yes, these may come in any pattern, like they fill in the blanks, missing numbers in a caterpillar or in a flower. You have to complete it with the backward counting. And with that, addition and subtraction also you need to learn. This is a small pattern of the question paper. The question paper pattern may vary, children, but all this scoop will come in the same thing. The pattern may change to A to B or B to C, but all the scoop will be the same thing. Okay? Yes? Please go through this and be prepared for your assessment. All the best for your assessment. We will announce the date once we will get. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.